Good afternoon. Today is January 21, 2024 Sunday, and here are the 3 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SLs for 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for January 21, 2024 Sunday. Here are the SLs for 3 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Sunday, January 21, 2024. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for afternoon of January 21, 2024 Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.